This is not just a truck. This is a statement on wheels. What you're looking at right now isn't your average pickup, and it's definitely not something you see every day on the road. At first glance, it might feel like something straight out of the future. But when you look closer, you'll realize it's inspired by the legendary GMC Hummer EV. Except this version takes things to a completely different level. This is a fully customized, heavily modified, ultra-luxury concept style build that transforms raw power into pure visual dominance. Every line, every angle, every reflection on this machine is designed to grab attention and never let it go. And trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to see things that will completely change the way you look at trucks forever. So make sure you stay till the end, because we're diving deep into its insane transformation, hidden design elements, and what truly makes this beast stand out from everything else on the road. Now let's start with the first impression. The moment this machine rolls into view, the front end immediately takes control of the entire scene. It's bold, it's aggressive, and it has a presence that's impossible to ignore. The grille design alone tells you this isn't stock. It's been completely reimagined with a layered chrome structure that reflects light from every angle, giving it a high-end luxury feel while still maintaining that raw, aggressive DNA. Right in the center sits the iconic badge from GMC, and it's not just a logo, it represents power, heritage, and authority. This front fascia doesn't just look strong, it feels dominant, like it owns the road before it even starts moving. Then your eyes move toward the headlights, and this is where things get even more interesting. The round projector-style LED lights bring a unique blend of classic and futuristic design. They almost look like mechanical eyes, giving the truck a robotic personality. Surrounding them are sharp LED accents that stretch across the body, enhancing the aggressive styling and making the entire front end feel alive. It's the kind of design that doesn't just light up the road, it commands attention from every direction. But the real story begins when you take a closer look at the body. This is where the transformation truly reveals itself. This isn't your standard build anymore. The wide-body kit completely changes the proportions of the truck, making it look lower, wider, and far more planted to the ground. The stance is incredibly aggressive, almost like a supercar rather than a traditional pickup. Every panel has been sculpted with precision, featuring sharp cuts, deep contours, and bold edges that create a sense of motion even when the vehicle is standing still. This is not just design, it's attitude in physical form. And then come the wheels. Easily one of the most eye-catching elements of this entire build. These massive chrome wheels are absolutely insane. The size alone makes a bold statement, but it's the intricate multi-spoke design that really sets them apart. As light hits the surface, it reflects in every direction, creating a constantly shifting visual effect that makes the truck look even more dynamic. When this thing is in motion, those wheels don't just roll. They shine, they spin like art, and they turn heads instantly. This isn't just about functionality, this is about presence. Looking at the side profile, the truck takes on a completely different personality. The long, stretched body combined with its lowered stance creates a sleek, almost futuristic silhouette. The side steps are seamlessly integrated into the design, blending perfectly with the overall body structure instead of sticking out like traditional steps. This gives the truck a clean, uninterrupted flow from front to rear. Even the door design feels customized, adding another layer of exclusivity to the build. Every inch of this vehicle has been carefully thought out, making sure there are no weak points in its visual impact. Now imagine this truck in its original factory form. It would still be powerful, still impressive, still capable. But what you're seeing here is something entirely different. This is what happens when engineering meets imagination. This is what happens when someone takes a bold platform and pushes it beyond its limits to create something truly unique. The difference between stock and custom is not just in the way it looks, it's in the way it makes you feel. And this build, it makes you feel like you're looking at the future. But here's the thing, we've only just scratched the surface. Everything we've talked about so far is just the exterior. The real question is, what's hiding inside? What kind of interior does a machine like this offer? How powerful is it under the hood? Or in this case, under its electric platform? And most importantly, how does it actually perform in the real world? Now it's time to step inside this beast. Because if the exterior made an impact, the interior is where things get seriously next level. The moment you open the door, you can already tell. This isn't just built for looks, it's designed for a full luxury experience. Inspired by the bold DNA of the GMC Hummer EV, this interior takes rugged capability and blends it perfectly with futuristic comfort. Everything feels premium, everything feels intentional, and most importantly, everything feels powerful. As you step in, the first thing you notice is the cabin space. It's wide, open, and extremely commanding. The seating position is high, giving you that dominant road view, but at the same time, the layout wraps around the driver in a way that feels almost like a cockpit. The seats themselves are fully customized, likely wrapped in high-quality leather, with detailed stitching patterns that add a luxury feel while still maintaining that tough, off-road-ready identity. This isn't just about comfort, it's about presence. Now let's talk about the dashboard, because this is where the futuristic vibe really kicks in. Instead of a traditional setup, you're looking at a fully digital interface. A massive infotainment screen sits right at the center, surrounded by clean, sharp design elements that match the aggressive exterior styling. The display isn't just big, it's responsive, packed with features, and designed to keep everything within easy reach. Navigation, vehicle stats, camera views, performance data, it's all there, and it's all designed to feel smooth and intuitive. Right behind the steering wheel, you get a fully digital driver display that shows everything from speed to battery levels in real time. The graphics are sharp, modern, and easy to read, giving you all the information you need without distracting you from the drive. And speaking of the steering wheel, it's thick, bold, and perfectly shaped to give you a strong grip. Every button placement feels natural, which means you're always in control without having to think twice. But what really makes this interior stand out is the attention to detail. Ambient lighting flows across the cabin, highlighting the edges and contours of the design, especially during night driving. It creates a premium atmosphere that feels more like a luxury lounge than a truck. The materials used throughout, soft touch panels, metallic accents, and custom trims bring everything together into one cohesive experience. This is not your typical pickup interior. This is a statement of modern automotive design. Now let's get into performance, because this is where things get even more exciting. Underneath all this aggressive styling, this machine is powered by an advanced electric platform, just like the original GMC Hummer EV. That means instant torque, silent acceleration, and power delivery that hits you the moment you press the pedal. There's no delay, no hesitation, just pure, immediate response. This kind of setup allows the truck to deliver insane levels of performance. We're talking about massive horsepower numbers, quick acceleration for something this big, and the ability to handle both city roads and off-road terrains without breaking a sweat. The low stance in this modified version may be more focused on street presence, but the core platform still carries that rugged capability deep inside. One of the most impressive things about electric performance is how smooth it feels. There are no gear shifts, no engine noise interruptions, just a continuous surge of power that feels almost unreal. And when you combine that with the weight and size of this truck, the result is a driving experience that feels both controlled and incredibly strong at the same time. Let's not forget about technology features, because this build is packed with them. You're looking at multiple camera angles, including surround view systems that make parking and maneuvering a lot easier despite the truck's massive size. Advanced driver assistance systems are likely part of the setup as well. Things like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and collision alerts, all working together to enhance safety while keeping the driving experience smooth. Sound system? You can expect a premium audio setup that fills the entire cabin with deep, rich sound. Whether you're cruising through the city or parked with friends, the audio experience adds another layer of luxury to the overall vibe of the vehicle. Climate control systems, wireless charging, smart connectivity. It's all here, and it's all designed to match the futuristic theme of the truck. Now think about it. You've got an exterior that turns heads everywhere it goes, and an interior that feels like a high-end luxury lounge combined with advanced technology. That balance is what makes this build truly special. It's not just about looking aggressive, it's about delivering a complete experience from the inside out. But we're still not done yet, because there's one more question left. How does this machine actually compare to other trucks out there? Is it just about looks, or does it truly outperform the competition? And most importantly, would this be a practical choice, or is it purely a showstopper? Now comes the final and most important part. How does this machine actually stand when you put it up against the competition? Because let's be real, a build like this isn't just about looks. It has to prove itself where it really matters. And when you bring this custom beast into the same conversation as trucks like the Tesla Cybertruck, Ford F-150 Raptors, and even the original GMC Hummer EV, things start to get very interesting. First, let's talk about presence. Compared to something like the Cybertruck, which has a sharp, minimal, almost sci-fi design, this build goes in a completely different direction. Where Tesla focuses on simplicity and geometry, this truck is all about aggression, detail, and visual impact. It's louder, bolder, and far more expressive. Then you look at something like the Ford Raptors, which is built for high-performance off-roading. It's rugged, it's capable, but visually, it still stays within the limits of a production truck. This custom build completely breaks those limits. It doesn't follow rules. It creates its own category. Now when it comes to performance, the story shifts slightly. The foundation of this machine is still rooted in the electric platform inspired by the Hummer EV, which means instant torque, powerful acceleration, and a smooth driving experience. Compared to traditional gas-powered trucks like the Raptors, this electric setup feels more immediate and refined. There's no engine roar, no gear shifting, just a clean, continuous surge of power. And when you compare it to the Cybertruck, both share that electric advantage, but this build adds something extra: personality. It's not just fast, it feels alive in a completely different way. Here's where things get real. This truck, in its current modified form, leans heavily toward being a show vehicle. The lowered stance, oversized chrome wheels, and extreme body kit make it perfect for city cruising, car meets, and attention-grabbing moments. However, that also means it sacrifices some of the off-road capability that trucks like the Raptors or even the stock Hummer EV are known for. So the question becomes, what is this truck really built for? The answer is simple. This is not just a truck. This is an experience. It's designed to stand out, to turn heads, to make people stop and stare. It's for someone who doesn't just want to drive, they want to be seen. Every time this vehicle hits the road, it becomes the center of attention. It doesn't blend in, it dominates the environment around it. Now let's talk about real-world driving feel. Imagine sitting behind the wheel, surrounded by that premium interior with all the technology at your fingertips. You press the accelerator, and instead of a loud engine, you get a silent but powerful push forward. The weight of the truck gives it stability, while the electric torque delivers instant response. Steering feels controlled, planted, and confident, and despite its size, the advanced camera systems and driving assists make it surprisingly manageable in tight spaces. At higher speeds, the truck feels smooth and steady, almost like it's gliding rather than driving. And when you slow things down and cruise through the city, that's where it really shines. People notice it. Heads turn, phones come out. It creates a reaction everywhere it goes, and that's something no spec sheet can measure. Now let's break it down into one simple idea. Value. Not in terms of price, but in terms of what you get. With something like the Cybertruck, you get innovation. With the Raptors, you get performance and off-road capability. With the stock Hummer EV, you get power and technology. But with this custom build, you get individuality. You get uniqueness. You get something that no one else on the road